Hello, today we'll be learning addition and subtraction of binary. We'll be using the table to guide us. We have numbers in base 10 and numbers in base 2. 1 in base 10 is 1 in base 2. We have 2 in base 10 is 1, 0 in base 2. 3 in base 10 is 1, 1 in base 2. 4 in base 10 is 1, 0, 0 in base 2. 5 in base 10 is 1, 0, 1. So we'll be using the table as a guide as we add and subtract. So let's go to the example. We have 1 plus 1 in base 2. So 1 plus 1, our answers must be in base 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in base 2 is 1, 0. So I'm going to write 0 and take the 1 to the next. So we are having 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 3. 3 in base 2 is 1, 1. So you write 1 and take the 1 to the next side. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in base 2 is 1, 0. Let's go to the next, the B. We have 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3. 3 in base 2 is 1, 1. So I'll be writing 1 and take 1 to the next side. So don't forget our addition is in base 2. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 4. 4 in base 2 is 1, 0, 0. So I'm going to write 0 and take the 1, 0 to the next number. Don't forget 1, 0 is 2. So we have 1, 0, which is 2, plus 1, which is 3. 3 in binary is 1, 1. So I'm going to write 1 and take the 1 to the next side. So 1 plus 1, that will give me 1, 0. So let's go to the subtraction part. We can't take 1 from 0. It's impossible. So I'm going to borrow this 1. So this is remaining 0. Now 1, 0 in base 10 is 2. So 1, 0 here is 2. So 2 minus 1. That will give 1. I can't remove 1 from this 0, so I have to borrow from here. So this is meaning 0. To this, which is 1, 0. 1, 0 is 2. So I'm going to borrow 1 from here. This is meaning 1. Then bring it here. That is 1, 0, which is 2. 1 from 2, take away 1. We'll be having what? 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. And here is 0. So our answer technically is 1, 1. Now from this other part, which is the D, exercise D, we have 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, 1. So technically we can't take away 1 from 0. We have to borrow 1 from this. So I'm taking this 1 away. So this is meaning 0. Bring it here. That's 1, 0. That's 2. So borrow 1 from 2, meaning 1. Same here. This is 1, 0, which is 2. Borrow 1 again from it, meaning 1. And bring it here. Same thing, we borrow again 1 and here as well, which is 1 0, which is 2. So from here, 2 take away 1, that is 1. 1 minus 1, that's 0. 1 minus 1, that is 0. And here we have 1. You can see this is very much easy. So the table of binary 1 to 5 can guide you to do your addition and subtraction, which makes the work very easy and simple. I hope this will help you in doing your simple calculation under binary. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to enjoy more of the videos of Tender Heart Tutors.